Greetings and welcome to video number 53. Today we have the scale 118 Ferrari Monza SP1. And right before I even unbox it, you can tell this car is not an ordinary car. It's not your ordinary Ferrari either, but we gotta unbox it first. It's my first time unboxing a scale 18 on video. Kind of exciting. All the scale 18 car models I've had, when I started my YouTube channel, I kind of already had them. So it was kind of out of the question if I was going to do an unboxing, because I never keep the boxes. I wasn't going to rebox them to unbox them. That'd be a little goofy. This car I'm especially excited for because good Ferrari models, I've never been actually interested in them. And I didn't necessarily go for this one. I kind of just got it for Christmas, kind of. But yeah, it's a quick look around. This is a very interesting car. Okay, if I do tilt it back, I would be resting directly on the side mirrors, and I do not feel like breaking a car model today. Of course, I'm still gonna fast forward so I don't bore you. Oh well, that was fast. Not sure why I haven't been using that before. Okay, that is a very visually striking car model, if you ask me. Remove the stickers because this does appear to have opening compartments. I'm very excited for that, specifically because well, I mean, just look at this thing. A very unique looking car. Had better have all the very unique features and opening compartments, especially for a Ferrari, and it being a several $million price tag. I mean, logically, if you're wanting a car this rare, you better be getting more than just a goofy look. Better come with all the cool features. I know very little of this car, but unboxing already done. Let's look into this thing. Alright, straight off the bat, we can't go anywhere without talking about this crazy single driver open air design is very rare. We have several open air cars already, like the Aston Martin V12 Speedster and the McLaren Elva, but this is Ferrari's open air car. I mean, it's not like a trend that everyone's gonna do, but it's just a thing that some people do. This is scale 18, so it's very large. It is all metal. It's very strange having all this just flat space. I kind of like it though, not gonna lie. It's pretty neat. Not sure where to begin. No windshield, obviously. A little something right there, I guess. But anyway, at the front we have the big Ferrari grille with the Ferrari horse. The emblems up here. We have the dual headlights split by this silver bodywork. We have this big carbon fiber splitter with a little piece of silver right here. Little extra grille down there. The wheels are very fancy, luxurious, and open air. I do love that. And the wheels do turn ever so slightly. You can see there that the brake discs do turn with the wheel, and it's very nice because with the openness you can very much easily see the brake caliper. Very nice. I do like how the yellow stripe on top kind of carries down into the brake caliper. It's not perfectly aligned, but I think it's just a cool little detail. Then we got the traditional Ferrari on the back end of the front fender. This big fancy air release. This is the engine's in the front, I do believe. We'll find that out when we open it. Then we got the rear wheel. The brake does, I think, go there. But anyway, another open wheel. Very nice. It was silver with the yellow. And then at the back, it's just another very smooth piece of bodywork. I love it. Very pretty. Kind of reminds me of the EV, but this has exhaust, and it's, you know, Ferrari doesn't want to do electric yet. But anyway, there's Ferrari logo and the Ferrari horse on there. That's where your license plate should go. Then you have the large front splitter. Those are reflectors. The taillights on the real car, I'm pretty certain, are hidden and tucked away in this big line in the bodywork. They're not shown here on this car model. There's a gas cap on this side. Reflective side mirrors. Obviously, there is no rear view mirror because there's nowhere to put it. On this side, we do have another X-Take carbon fiber side skirt, which is on the other side, forgot to point out, but ultimately it's the same thing. Interestingly, we have the body panel shaped like the door, even though there is none, only on one side. Yeah, now I'm gonna try not to break it as I figure out what opens on this. I think this whole front, oh my goodness, it does open. Okay, so it's this whole front piece right here, and it stays open, and okay, yeah, there's your engine. Wow. That is, well, very eye-catching. That's very unique for a car model. Especially in a modern day where all these performance cars are rear, the engine's in the back, but you have the red engine cover, those air intakes. Don't really have much to say. I feel like this thing speaks for itself. But yeah, this whole front chunk just comes right up. It's snaps. Hang on. Yeah, there's these little pieces up here that snap into like these holes down here with a very audible snap. I actually like that snap close feature. It isn't gonna fall open. Okay, I do like that. I love that. Yeah, I forgot to point out, it's flat right here behind the driver is this chunk of body, I guess you can call it, with yellow, with Ferrari Monza SP1 written on it. I think this back compartment does. Oh, and look at that. You have a trunk, a pretty large trunk, actually. Yeah, that's a pretty large trunk. I don't know how deep it goes on the real car. That's probably it, but lots of carbon fiber inside. You can see there, right here is just silver bodywork, but then this whole part is a clear plastic piece, so I'm presuming, that I'm correct in the fact that, yes, there is, that's where the taillight is. No door on this side. I believe that there is a door right here. Ooh. They still managed to fit a fancy butterfly door right here. Single hinge. I don't think it does this on the car, but on this car model it is going straight into that side mirror. But hey, because it's open top, we get a really easy, nice view of the interior of this thing, which there is hardly any of it. Nothing else opens. Okay. Except maybe that? No? Okay. Anyway, there's your steering wheel and speedometer right there. All your controls are right there. Brown seat. I find it interesting how the interior does not color match the exterior at all, yet it somehow works. It somehow looks pretty fine. It looks pretty well. Pretty good, I mean, for the color theme. I guess Ferrari just knows how to make it work. But yeah, you have to climb over this giant door sill thing to get in. Very nice door. I mean, on this car model, very firm, and it snaps closed nicely. So yeah, that's kind of it. In real life, the real car, there's only 499 of them. I'm assuming the 500th one is like the concept display unit or something. But it's a very limited run car. Not many people are gonna want, because clearly there's nothing between you and the weather, so all that bugs and wind is going to be smacking you right in the face. You obviously cannot take a passenger with you. You do have a good sized trunk, but even with that, this is a very impractical car just for display, show, and maybe a little joyride when you're certain the weather will not turn for the worse. Because, I mean, look at that. If it rains, your multi-million-dollar Ferrari is totaled. Oh, I think... Yeah, this model... Yeah, it does have suspension. Okay. So it does have suspension. Forgot to check. Yeah, the steering wheel does turn with the wheels. I always love to see it. Now, let me just open this crazy thing up. And that's what it looks like when it's completely open. Never seen a Ferrari like this. Not that I've seen many. But, yeah, that's... very, very unique Ferrari, very unique car model. No matter in both forms, both real and the car model form, this is definitely an eye catcher and a spotlight in any collection because of its uniqueness and goofiness. It's definitely got style, of course, still. But anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe if you want to see more. And thank you for 300 subscribers. I've been trying to think of something to do as a big thank you, but for now, I think I'm just going to say thank you to all 300 of you, well, 300 plus now, subscribers, even to those who have come and gone. I really appreciate any and all support y'all give. And I'm excited to see where we go this next upcoming year, 2025. Let me know what you want to see. I'm open. I think I'm now open to take requests on car models. I can't guarantee I'm gonna get any specific car model you want to see. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I shall return.